So I read an article yesterday that said that there was a list of things that you should do before your baby turns 2, and one of them was to dance in the rain, and it just so happens to rain today, so Daddy and Elsa are going to dance in the rain. Oh, she's more interested in the phone.
It's probably cold.
Is it cold?
It's cold.
No, she wants her
Alright.
car.
Oh, let me this out.
Elsa, you gotta take the car in the rain.
Wants to drive it right now. Where she's not getting rained on. Come on. Come on. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. That's not standing up. You're crashing. You're going over the...
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's try this way.
Collision!
Shove Eddie's butt there.
And Mommy's sitting here with little August. Say hi, August! Say hi, August! What a cutie.
You driving your car?
It's coming down pretty hard.
Why don't I just stand in the rain? For no good reason.
It's August 22nd, 2014. Look, he's soaking wet. But August over here is staying dry.
So does the list say driving with your child in the rain?
Yeah.
I thought it said dancing, but I'm standing, she's driving. Back for more, are you?
Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.